Imagine this, you're on a trip, your wallet is running low, and you need cash. You find an ATM, but it doesn't accept your YouTrip card. Frustrating, right? Well, fear no more. Today, we're diving deep into the world of YouTrip ATMs. Let's find out where you can actually withdraw cash using your YouTrip card. YouTrip is a fantastic way to save on foreign transaction fees, but it's not always as straightforward as swiping your card at any ATM. Some banks have partnerships with YouTrip, while others don't. So, how do you know which ATMs to look for? The Global ATM Network. YouTrip has a vast global network of ATMs where you can withdraw cash. This network is constantly expanding, so it's always a good idea to check the YouTrip app for the latest updates. Here are some key points to remember. Partner banks. YouTrip has partnerships with major banks worldwide. Look for ATMs with these bank logos, and you're more likely to find one that accepts your card. ATM Locator. The YouTrip app has a built-in ATM locator. Simply enter your location, and it will show you nearby ATMs that are compatible with YouTrip. Dynamic Currency Conversion. Be cautious of ATMs that offer Dynamic Currency Conversion, DCC. This is a service that converts your transaction to your home currency, but it often comes with hidden fees. Always choose to withdraw in the local currency to get the best exchange rate. Common challenges and solutions. Even with a global network, you might still encounter challenges when trying to withdraw cash using YouTrip. Here are some common issues and how to address them. ATM out of service. It happens. If an ATM is out of service, try a different one nearby. Incorrect PIN. Double-check your PIN to ensure you're entering it correctly. Daily withdrawal limit. Most ATMs have daily withdrawal limits. If you need to withdraw a large amount, consider using multiple ATMs or other methods. Technical glitches. Sometimes, there can be technical issues with the ATM or YouTrip app. If you're facing problems, try restarting your app or device. Tips for ATM withdrawals. Here are some tips to help you make successful ATM withdrawals with YouTrip. Plan ahead. Before your trip, check the YouTrip app for ATM locations and any specific instructions. Carry backup. While YouTrip is convenient, it's always a good idea to have a backup payment method, such as cash or a credit card. Be cautious. Be aware of your surroundings when using ATMs, especially in unfamiliar places. Avoid using ATMs in isolated areas or at night. So, there you have it. With a bit of planning and knowledge, you can easily find ATMs that accept your YouTrip card and enjoy the benefits of hassle-free foreign currency withdrawals. Remember to check the YouTrip app for the latest updates on ATM locations and partnerships. With that said, thanks for watching. Until next time, happy travels.